Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to take a picture by showing your palm on screen. So did you know that if you're in selfie mode and you want to take a picture, you can basically just show your palm and that will take a picture automatically. So to do this, go ahead and open up your camera app. Make sure you're on selfie mode like this. Now to take a picture, I'll go ahead and show my palm. And once it recognizes palm, it'll show you a countdown and it'll take a picture. So this will basically save you the hassle of going back and forth from your phone to the position where you want to take a picture, and then you can go ahead and show your palm and it'll take a picture. So there you go guys, that's how to take a picture with your palm on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.